Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix your Bluetooth pairing issues in your speaker. So on your Android phone you have to enter Settings, Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, Bluetooth and Disable Bluetooth. On your iPhone go to Settings, Bluetooth and Disable Bluetooth. Meanwhile, you have to turn off your speaker using the power button. Now you have to wait 10 to 20 seconds, and after this time you have to turn on Bluetooth back again and turn on your speaker. Then you have to check if you are in Bluetooth mode and then check if you can connect. If you can't, you have to do a hard reset of your speaker. To know how to do so, check our channel because we have a video for that. And if you still have some pairing issues, you have to contact the device support, because you may have the damaged speaker. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.